Good morning, my dear kids. You already know all sound words. So, today we are going to do dictation of all sound words. I will speak some words and you have to write the words. So, listen carefully before writing. Write call, call, all, call. Write like this. All, all, all. All, call. I have written first word for you, but I will not write remaining words. Listen carefully before writing. Now write mole. All, mole. All, mall. Next is whole. All, hall. All, hall. All, hall. Done? Write next. Tall. All, tall. All, tall. All, tall. Now write ball. All, ball. All, ball. Next, wall. All, wall. All, wall. Last is fall. All, fall. All, fall. Done? I am repeating once again. Call, mall, hall, tall, ball, wall, fall.